Now, we've often heard people say that wine is good for the heart, and a new scientific study claims to have solved that puzzle as well.
Well, a team at the University of Barcelona found that a glass of wine every night halves the risk of suffering heart attacks and strokes compared with people who don't consume the alcoholic drink. The study claims drinking a bottle of wine a week could be as good for you as taking statins or cholesterol-lowering drugs. The team also observed that wine, red or white, has a much greater protective effect than previously thought.
The new research tested the amount of a chemical called tartaric acid in participants' urine. The acid is a chemical naturally found in grapes that can be measured in urine to show how much wine someone has consumed over the previous 5 to 6 days. The cohort was a group of over 1,000 Spanish adults who were at risk of heart disease. They gave urine samples to measure their wine consumption and were also put on a Mediterranean diet involving lots of olive oil, vegetables and fish.
Now, compared with non-drinkers, those who had between 3 and 7 glasses of wine each week had a 50% lower risk. Meanwhile, those who drank 1 to 3 glasses a week were at 38% lower risk of heart disease. But now, here's a catch. The protective effect wine disappeared in anyone drinking more than a glass a day. The research team says it has gathered enough evidence on wine consumption by measuring tartaric acid in urine samples. Now, researchers also noticed it was crucial to consume wine during meals.
Now, the study sticks to the UK's current guidelines, which advise no more than 14 units of alcohol per week. That measures to about 6 pints of beer or 6 small glasses of wine.
Another interesting find is that women only need to consume half the amount as men to get the same protective effects. The so-called French paradox of why Mediterranean countries known for their love of wine have lower rates of heart disease has puzzled scientists for decades.
While wine might be good for the heart, experts have of course cautioned that consumption of too much wine is not good for the heart. The study says if you drink over 35 glasses of wine a month, this protective benefit of wine will quickly disappear and turn detrimental for your health.